In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Hostinger's affiliate program. So I have just Google searched for Hostinger affiliate program, and we want to open up this first link. So once we have it open, we will click on Access Affiliate Platform. So the first step here is clicking on Partner Sign Up at the bottom, and we have to type out our name, website, address, city, country, state, and phone. Tax ID is not mandatory because it doesn't have an asterisk next to it. So I will just type out this information, and I'm going to come back with the next step, so bear with me. Okay, so the next step in signing up is this. So user details, we have to add our first and last name. So I'm just going to do that real quick. The title, if we are part of the company, and our email address. So I'm just going to do an email address that I have right here. And we need to create a strong password. So it needs to be between 8 and 16 characters. It needs to have at least one uppercase character, one lowercase letter, and a number or special character. So a number of special characters basically means like symbols, so like exclamation mark, so on and so forth. So I'm just going to generate a password here, and I'm going to confirm it, and we want to click on next. So it tells us that our password is not strong enough apparently, so I'm just going to add some more stuff here. And okay, here is the next step. So additional questions. What is your main channel to promote Hostinger on? So we can do blog, YouTube, social media, email marketing, and other. I will be promoting on YouTube. So please provide the URLs you are planning to promote Hostinger on. So here you will get your channel URL. So I will just type out my channel name like so, and which products are you going to promote. So here we can do hosting, website builder, or both. So I'm going to select both. And how many visitors does your website channel receive on average per month? So mine gets about 800,000 visitors per month. I understand that Hostinger does not allow pay-per-click impressions advertising and remains the right to spend any affiliate account commissions if I use such methods. So we need to agree to this. And I understand that the minimum payment threshold is $100 and 3 conversions at a time. So if we click on I understand here from the drop down menu, then we can click next. And here is actually the last part. So we want to read through this privacy policy here. And if we are sure of it and we want to apply, then we want to click on I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. Then we can read the terms and conditions here as well. So after we have read those, we will click on that as well. And the last thing, I hereby consent and allow the use of my or my company's information, third party detection prevention. Okay, so no fraud, we want to check this as well. And the last step is actually doing this CAPTCHA. You know how to do a CAPTCHA, I assume. And once we have filled in all of this information, then we will simply click on sign up. And this will actually make us sign up as a Hostinger affiliate. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.